2015 CR 12011, State versus Brandon Murray. Could I have parties announce? And are you Brandon Murray? All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and State's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Brandon Murray who was placed on community supervision in 2015 CR 12011 for the offense of assault family second offense on November 15, 2016 for a term of 5 years and extended for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Yes, supplement. Violation of 5. In Barrett County, Texas, the defendant, Brandon Murray, then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of August through December 2024 and January through September 2025 in violation condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? True or not true? Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 6 years in the prison, a $1,500 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Form is sentenced and into 2 years. Please.
All right. Is that the proposed agreement?
Yeah.
Has he done anything since he's been on probation?
He's done the classes. He's got some certificates that.
I'm sorry, what were you? I'm sorry, off the court summary, one of my apologies. See. Outpatient treatment.
I just did. I don't know.
So just 1 second. Probation?
Their outpatient referral, I'm not quite sure they actually the outpatient treatment. However, I'm not sure what the requirement. Hours, anger management, and he has made one payment of $90 for his expenses. Otherwise, unfortunately, I don't think that you.
All right.
He was transferred to Arkansas.
Yes.
There's some paperwork that certificates that he has and bring him, and that's completion of the.
I just did.
Well, just a second. If you're going to talk, then can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right. What have you done?
ACC is program. So I finished the program mission to good behavior. And while I was there, I had management and the hard copy, so it's and with me, the person.
And what program did you say?
ECC, some few registers. Over drug and alcohol program.
And you're saying 9 months, was that inpatient?
Yeah.
All right. I don't know why they didn't transfer anything to the probation. No, no, no. Usually they should send to the probation officer here things that have been completed and if there have been some issues. No. Any objections? Sure. All right. Thank you. All right. So it appears none of that helped you, that you disappeared and you continue to use controlled substances. So why?
So,
I don't, I don't think 2 years is appropriate. And let me just explain to you all why. This is not his first motion to revoke. And the previous motion to revoke, it was a violation of condition number 2 and condition number 5. I heard that motion to revoke. So I know he was transferred to Washington County in Arkansas because that's what he requested. And so he was transferred there. And it appears that they did an inpatient treatment there. And then he immediately goes back to doing what he's done before, which is abscond and continue to use. So, and there's no more extension for him because he's due to expire in November. So according to this, you continue to struggle with sobriety and you continue to have criminal behaviors. So, I mean, for the court, I don't know why I would give you the minimum sentence when I don't know if you've even really been trying, because the number one thing and the easiest thing to do is show up, whether you're using or not using. The easiest thing to show is to show up, and you disappeared. So what were you doing when you were disappearing?
I was, I had picked up the case, they tried to pick for the, I did the 2 months for the violation, again, I started more time, which I was the program, went to the program.
And
If on those vision documents and has the 72 month.
sorry, he has what?
72 months sentence. I get the kid for working from back.
Okay. And I don't know why your grandmother would allow you. And when you say you were helping with your child, what do you mean by that?
Okay,
What does that mean, taking care of your child?
she,
Oh my goodness. That shouldn't even be happening if he's in the throes of his drug addiction. And according to this, it's meth and cocaine, and somebody's trusting him to watch a child. That just should not be. And you know it should not be.
so, it's sexual, so. That's how I present myself.
Let me ask you this. How old is your child?
So,
Your child is 7. If there were someone who had your criminal history, would you want them babysitting your child? And the fact that you're standing before me telling me that you were selling, that's how it got in your system, one, that's not 100% believable unless you're moving a lot of material. And two, that's not good at all. That's what they mean in that report when they say you're continuing with your criminal behavior. So I'm not going to give you 2 years. I don't think that's appropriate. But I do appreciate your honesty. Court is finding 5 true. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Court will give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the complainant in this case. There's to be no residing in households with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Court will give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. And what's the case he has out of Arkansas that he's on parole? Yes. Or that he's doing, you said he's doing 72 months or something?
Yes.
Yes.
I have it. 72. C as in Charlie, R as in Romeo, dash 21 dash. I'm going to really for saying.
Oh,
3 6s in a row.
okay. All right. So that will be,
You don't parole.
okay. Okay. That would be run concurrent with that cause number. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Yes, that is the
During do what?
176 days he has credit over there in Arkansas, and 154 days he has credit here in Oregon.
All right. He'll receive the 176 days credit in Arkansas. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on community supervision. And because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have any questions over that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're going to have to start making better choices. One, you shouldn't be selling. You have a child to take care of. Two, that your grandmother is now being a great grandmother / parent to your child because you can't step up in the plate and you're not dependable. You understand? And where's your mom and dad? I'm sorry to hear that. And your father? All right. And so everybody is putting everything on the grandmother to do all of this. And you are continuing to have children and not be the type of person who should have children or who can take care of children. You understand? So do not go visiting that to your grandmother's doorstep. She doesn't need it. What you can do is get a job when you're released and send money to your grandmother for taking care of your child that you're not doing. And don't go in that child's life causing destruction. You understand? All right. Good luck to you. You're welcome. Edward Reyes. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 10257 State versus Edward Reyes. Can I have parties announced?
Ready for six? With the hotel, we have Mr. Payne?
And are you Mr. Reyes? Are there any applications in this case?
No.
All right, I'm sorry. Counsel, have you received all discovery that you reviewed with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Reyes, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, sir.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge is proceeding on paragraph B of count 1, otherwise waiving and abandoning all of the counsel.
All right, any objection?
No, sir.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with burglary of a habitation. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Finally, this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge, just for the record, he's been restored to competency about a week ago.
Okay. Mr. Reyes, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you in? Has anyone promised you or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported and denied naturalization. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 1, paragraph B. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 10 years in the prison. Did you understand that to be the plea? State defense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to count 1, paragraph B, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Paragraph 6, number 1 with all attachments.
No objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations? State, you may be excused.
Thank you.
The waiver and stipulations with your attorney, did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and view the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No.
All right, so his being here, did that have to do with mental illness?
Yes.
Okay. All right, the court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no residing in households with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors. And I'll do a referral to the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but it's to help you with any type of mental health issues or anything else. I don't have any jurisdiction to force them to place you in the program. You'll have to request it. All right. And do you know the complainant in this matter? Okay. So I'll do a no contact order with the complainant and the address. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right. Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, And because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, so you're gonna have to make sure you take care of your mental health, okay? All right, good luck to you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're welcome. All right, who's ready? All right, what is happening with Victor Guzman? All right,
No, when Judge said there's a motion suppress, we're ready.
And Judge, on that one, so the motion to suppress was only filed yesterday. And under the code, we're given 7 days to prepare. We've only had 24 hours to prepare for this. So we'd ask for a reset, Judge.
all right. And can you tell me what is the motion to suppress based upon?
It's based on probable cause, Judge.
No, I mean, is it a search warrant? Is
No, there's
it
no.
a stop?
No, it's a vehicle that is parked at convenience store. And so the officers come over to the convenience store, tell them to move away. And that's something the license, temporary license plate they have returned. They were checking on it. Apparently they saw some loose bullets inside the car and then they searched them.
All right. So, State, have you had a chance to review the defense's concerns about the suppression issue or no?
We've only gotten this as of yesterday, Judge.
All right. So State, look over that, see if you're in agreement that it should be suppressed. If you're not in agreement, then we'll have a motion to suppress hearing. And
Judge Lauren is actually running lead on this one, but based on what she and I were speaking about, I don't think we'll be in agreement that I think it should be suppressed.
Norma, set this for a motion to suppress. Do it the week of June 15th.
I'm out on the 15th, Judge. I'm in New York.
Okay, defense is in New York.
State or city.
Both.
Okay.
Done.
All right, we will see everybody then. And I'm going to tell everybody on the motion to suppress, if there are any resets requested, it will have to be for good cause because this was actually set. And I know you didn't file the motion till yesterday, but this was actually set in April for today for plea deadline date and motion to suppress. So there we go. All right.
Yeah, they just apologize for that. They filed it, but it was rejected and we didn't notice until somebody called us.
Okay. All right. No problem.
Judge, did you send?
You can cancel the interpreter. Where is Mr. Morris Thompson?
I don't know. He apparently called the office and he said he was on Zoom
He was never on Zoom.
yesterday, so I don't
Yeah.
know what happened.
Yeah, so he needs to be here today. So I'm gonna recall it. Is he out of county or what?
And then I think so. I mean, his area code is from somewhere else.
All right, you want to call him and find out, is he in county or out of county?
Yes, Judge.
All right, thank you.
That motion to pass from the. Do you want it in the afternoon or in the morning?
We can do it, let me see. Oh, you can put it in the morning if you want to put it in the morning. Mhm.
Address first.
Okay. All right, Norma. Put him on the docket. Just 1 second. Put him on the same date, that 29th date, and he needs to be here in person.
Judge, may I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one. Have a good
All right, thank you. You have a good weekend too.
Thank you. Like, what is? I don't know where I'm going. 210-621.
I'll take.
So, Vashon, it appears that I won't be here next week and Mahia will not be here next week. So you all have a great time.
Sure. We will be covered well.
Oh, yes.